Hi everyone, I am Veronica. Welcome to Guzhen Lighting Fair channel. It's my pleasure to lead you to a factory tour today. Now, here we are at Zhongshan Yongshi Electrical Corporation Limited, and their main product is LED driver. Now, let's move to their office and find someone to help us get more information about their products and this company. Let's go. Here is the showroom of Yongshi Electrical. As you can see, there are so many kinds of LED drivers here. But what about their specifications and how can we use it? Now, unfortunately, we get a professional sales to introduce for us this way. Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Veronica. What's your name?
Nice to meet you. I'm Jenny.
Okay, nice to meet you, Jenny. Can you please introduce your company for us first?
Yes, we are a 7 years LED driver manufacturer. We make all kinds of indoor and outdoor lighting drivers. Also, this year we added the special part for smart light driver. Also, our drivers we export to the South Asia, South America, and the Southeastern area. Almost all over the world we export.
Okay, so Yongshi Electrical's main product is LED driver. I'm really curious about this product. Okay, so can you please introduce some of your products for us?
Yes, I will introduce the 3 models driver for you. It's our hot selling and also customers good responsible to that.
Okay, let's start. Which one?
This is the first one for
this
our
is the first one.
50 watts waterproof outdoor lighting drivers. It's mostly used for the floodlight, street lights, and also this one special design one is better for the Indian market because this driver will have the special functions for the over water protection, over current, over temperature protection, and underwater protection. You know, the market is very special for the wattage is not stable. So we make the special design for them.
Okay, I got it. So is it the first model?
Yeah.
Okay. What about other model?
The second model is for this one. This is our constant voltage driver, mostly used for the indoor lightings like panel lights, down lights, LED strip lights. This model most for the Hong Kong, China, Hong Kong, and also our mainland and South America. That's we have some CE certifications.
Okay, I see. And I noticed that this LED driver is a little bit different from those two. So can you please introduce one to us too?
Yes, you are so smart. It's our new models. It's our smart home light drivers. But we recommend the Tuya to make the design. Because Tuya is the Wi-Fi control, but our making is the Bluetooth control. We find Wi-Fi control private information will be elected, but if you can use the Bluetooth, it's very safe, as only 1-by-1 connection. So this one can make your whole home to be smart.
Yeah, I got it. Thank you, Jenny. Thank you for your introduction. I believe that you must be much more familiar with Yongshi Electronics and their products now. Want to buy these high-quality LED drivers? Don't hesitate. Make a comment below this video and let us know. Then we will help you contact this factory. And if you want to learn more factory tour, please follow up our hosted buyer program Go Online, which will be run from March 18th to April 18th. See you at the next factory. Bye.